In the ever-expanding universe of cryptocurrency, one question dominates the minds of investors. Which project has the power to truly transform financial futures? With thousands of crypto projects flooding the market, each claiming to be the next revolutionary blockchain, choosing the right investment can feel like navigating a minefield. What if one decision, one single choice, could make the difference between extraordinary wealth and a missed opportunity? Among the contenders striving to stand out in this high-stakes game, Tezos XTZ has emerged as a project that demands attention. Its unique self-amending blockchain, focus on security, and energy-efficient proof-of-stake mechanism set it apart. But in a world where Ethereum, Cardano, and newer, flashier competitors dominate headlines, can Tezos make a difference in the investment landscape? If you're looking for a profitable investment that goes beyond hype and speculation, this deep dive into Tezos XTZ price predictions for 2025-2030 will provide the insights you need. You'll discover the real challenges Tezos faces, its long-term potential, and whether now is the moment to act before the price surges. Tezos, a blockchain designed to evolve. Unlike traditional blockchains that struggle with upgrades and governance conflicts, Tezos was designed with an adaptive, self-amending protocol. This means that instead of undergoing disruptive hard forks like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Tezos can seamlessly upgrade itself, integrating improvements without fracturing its community. This technology isn't just a gimmick, it's a game changer. It allows Tezos to stay ahead of the curve, continuously evolving in a market where adaptability is the key to survival. More than that, Tezos prioritizes security, using a smart contract language, Michelson, designed to minimize vulnerabilities and prevent costly hacks. With institutions and enterprises increasingly seeking stable, secure blockchain solutions, Tezos presents an attractive option. But does that translate into wealth-building opportunities for investors? What's holding Tezos back? No investment is without risks, and Tezos is no exception. While its technology is impressive, the crypto market is brutally competitive. Ethereum dominates the smart contract space, Cardano is aggressively expanding, and even newer projects like Solana and Avalanche are drawing developers away. Tezos also faces a slower adoption rate, which means fewer decentralized applications, dApps, are being built on its network compared to Ethereum or even Binance Smart Chain. For a cryptocurrency's value to soar, real-world usage and adoption are critical, and that's where Tezos still has work to do. Another challenge is price volatility. The crypto market is notorious for its dramatic swings, and Tezos has seen its fair share of ups and downs. Some investors are hesitant, fearing that XTZ might not achieve the exponential growth seen in other projects. But here's the real question. Is the current price of Tezos an undervalued opportunity? And if so, what could its future look like? Tezos price prediction. A glimpse into the future. Based on expert analyses and market trends, here's where Tezos XTZ could be heading. 2025 price prediction. CoinCodex forecasts a price range between 1.73 and 2.68, indicating a potential 238.64% increase from its lowest point. CoinPrice forecast projects XTZ reaching $2.89 by the end of 2025, marking a 73% growth from its current price. 2030 price prediction. Digital coin price estimates that XTZ could reach $3.35, reflecting steady but moderate growth. CoinStats presents a bullish scenario, suggesting Tezos could rise to $9.36, a massive jump if adoption and innovation accelerate. These predictions indicate that Tezos has room for growth, but its gains may be more gradual and sustainable rather than explosive. This presents an opportunity for investors looking for a long-term wealth-building strategy rather than a quick speculative play. Pros and cons. Should you invest in Tezos? Like any investment, Tezos comes with advantages and risks. Understanding these factors can help you make a smart decision. Pros of investing in Tezos. Why Tezos could be a profitable investment. 1. Self-amending blockchain eliminates hard forks, ensuring long-term stability and seamless innovation. 2. Energy-efficient proof-of-stake model, a sustainable alternative to energy-intensive blockchains like Bitcoin. 3. Institutional interest. Companies looking for secure, scalable smart contracts could turn to Tezos. 4. Strong governance model. XTZ holders have a say in network upgrades, making it truly decentralized. Cons of investing in Tezos. Challenges that Tezos faces. 1. Fierce competition. Ethereum, Cardano, and newer blockchains pose serious threats. 2. Slower adoption rate. Fewer developers and projects compared to bigger ecosystems. 3. Volatility and price uncertainty. Crypto market fluctuations could impact short-term profitability. So, is Tezos the right investment for you? The decision to invest in Tezos comes down to your investment strategy. If you're looking for a project that could potentially deliver wealth through steady growth and innovation, Tezos is a compelling option. Its self-evolving technology, energy efficiency, and security focus make it a strong contender for long-term gains. However, if you're seeking a high-risk, high-reward crypto with the potential for overnight gains, Tezos may not be your best bet, at least not yet. Adoption and developer engagement will be key factors in determining whether Tezos can surge beyond its current valuation. The question now is, will you make the move before Tezos sees its next major price breakout? Crypto investing is all about timing and knowledge. If you found this analysis valuable, please consider giving this video a thumbs up to support more in-depth crypto content. Subscribe to our channel for the latest blockchain insights, price predictions, and expert analysis. Stay ahead of the market and be the first to capitalize on emerging investment opportunities. One decision can change everything. Is Tezos your next big investment? The answer is yours to decide. The information contained herein is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the channel owner, who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies poses considerable risk of loss. Please use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies, and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. The channel does not guarantee any particular outcome.